That's not politically correct anymore. That's crisscross applesauce.
Crisscross applesauce.
You can't say Indian style anymore. That's racially not nice.
Well, I guess.
What else do we call it? It's pretzel legs.
Yeah.
It's pretzel legs. My bad.
That's what we learned.
Pretzel legs? Andy,
I can't.
Indian style or pretzel legs?
I was homeschooled, so I learned nothing.
His mom used to see it.
Yeah. I've never heard of crisscross applesauce, though. That would be new. That sounds exciting. I also never got to play that, whatever that game's called, like Heads Up, 7-Up or whatever.
Oh, I love that game.
I've never ever played that in my entire life, and everyone, when I got to like middle school, was like, this game's super awesome. I'm like, what are you talking about? Like, I was homeschooled and pretty much until high school. I went to school for the first time in 8th grade and was like, I don't understand this. And they all thought it was super cool, and I was like, I don't get it. I don't understand this game. So I never got to play.
I mean, your mom had it.
It's true, there's so many. There's so many of us. God.
You would have been all the same sex. You could have been an evolutionary chart.
That's true. That would have been a great Halloween costume. Except that my mom doesn't believe in evolution, so she would, that would never happen. But
When you think it's all fun and games.
that would have been a great Halloween costume, though. That would be hilarious.
I remember playing Heads Up 7-Up in like 2nd grade. I can specifically remember it.